I wanted to draw your attention is the entire defense space right there. Remember, the center has cleared 5 acquisition deals to improve India's defense preparedness right there. 22,000 odd crore rupees nearly is the kind of proposals that are going to be augmenting defense preparedness for India. What does it mean for the entire sector now? We do know a lot of stocks within this sector have taken a sharp beating. They have slipped 30-40% from their all-time highs as well. Although over the last 10 days, 15 days or so, we have seen some amount of bounce return across the board, be it shipbuilders or the frontline stocks like HAL and BEL. Do you think the worst is behind? Is this the right time to again start forward-looking as far as the defense sector and the outlook is concerned? And should one start nibbling into these stocks now?
Yeah, I think defense is a multi-year story. So, I think one cannot expect a very straight and a significant alpha now from these levels. But I think these companies have now clearly become compounders. Like you mentioned about Bharat Electronics, Hindustan Aeronautics. Now,
Yeah.
these are companies, which are sitting on very strong order books, at least for the next 2 to 3 years. So, my sense is that, investors should use this opportunity to actually accumulate these stocks in a small fashion, maybe a SIP approach because visibility of business is assured, and I think government is very keen that more and more defense items gets manufactured in India, and that is going to actually help a lot of these frontline defense companies, a lot of ancillary companies which actually supply to these large defense companies. So I think in terms of shipbuilding, the area seems to be quite promising. Like yesterday, I was reading Cochin Shipyard has got a 1,000 crore plus order. Typically, that also is a big booster shot for them. At the end of the day, Bharat Electronics again is sitting on a very strong order book, a debt-free balance sheet. So I think, if somebody has a longer term call, say 12 to 18 months, I think this could be a safe space to put money. But yes, I think you need to give in some more time because, 2, 3 years back, valuations were available very, very cheap. But today, I think these stocks are not valued cheaply. So I think there's a price to be paid today. So I think you could at best look at the 12, 18 months and I think do a small kind of nimbling even at the current levels, but keeping a time frame of at least 12, 18 months.
What are the charts telling you? This is one stock that suffered a lot of selling pressure. Now some of that easing.
See, overall, we have seen a strong movement in this counter in the last trading week. The counter have reversed from the 200 a simple moving average, which was approximately around the zone of 1500. Last week, it has consolidated around the zone of 1700, and today again there has been a continuation in the higher trend. So definitely there is a kind of a reversal that can be seen in this counter. Although technically today will be an early day to say that the reversal has taken place or not. But if it confirms with a closure of above 1805, 1810, then from here onwards we can see a continuation of higher highs, higher lows formation for GRSE in the short term. So overall, the trend is looking to be turned around in this counter. There has been positive developments. The short-term moving averages are on the verge of giving a positive crossover. So all the technical parameters are on the verge of giving a bullish sentiments in this counter. I will wait for a day, or if it crosses above 1820 in intraday on a decisive manner, then today one can definitely start accumulating this counter for short to medium term time frame.